Hey everybody, welcome to Adventure Go To. I got another video here for you. Decided to go for a little bit of a drive and I ended up on Jamieson Creek Road. So I've actually heard about this Jamieson Creek Falls, and all the thousands of times that I've driven on this road, I've never been there. So I don't know if I'm in the right area. I'm at kilometer 13. There is a trailhead right here. Let's go and check it out. All right, let's get out of here. Kilometer 13, just before the big hill. Trailhead, there's a little pullout back there. Looks like trailhead's come up here. There, just I don't know how fast he was going. Either he had no brakes or he just doesn't care. So I kind of like to come to a lot of these falls and whatnot later on, once the spring runoff is done. That way it's you kind of get into that more crystal clear water, and that's the kind of type of water that I like to see. Spring runoff, water's dirty. It's not my cup of tea, that's for sure. A little bit of mud to walk through there. Hopefully the mosquitoes aren't too bad. When I left the house today, it was 35 degrees already, and I looked at the temp coming up here and it looks like we're still in the 30s. At 9 o'clock this morning, it was sitting at 29 degrees. Crazy. So, but not as bad as yesterday. Yesterday she hit 40 degrees. So I have no clue how long this trailhead is. It's in good shape, that's for sure. I still can't get over the fact that I've driven on this road. I usually fish up there, and I used to hunt up there many years ago. I cannot believe that I've never come into these falls. I didn't even know there was falls here. But I do recall people kind of talking about them. But I just never made the venture. So hopefully we'll get to see some falls. Yeah, it looks like water was up pretty high at one time. Getting pelted here by spider webs. Hopefully the people that wrecked them the last time didn't piss them off enough to attack me. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Look how nice and clear that water is. Yeah, that's beautiful. Gotta love it. Probably almost drink from that without any problems whatsoever. Well, looks like we're coming up to a little bridge here. That's kind of cool. Okay, I'm back. My SD card on my GoPro ended up getting full. So we're back to that cool little bridge. I'm talking to myself and I'm enjoying the day, thinking that I'm videoing this enjoyable day, and it's not even videoing. Oh well, switch cameras. I got these cameras from they're a completely different model and whatnot than the GoPro. First time using it, so we'll have to see. So this is pretty cool. I've already seen this, but now I got to show you guys it. That water is just beautiful. Just beautiful. All right. So this is pretty awesome. It's not an overly huge falls, but you know what? It's well worth the hike. It's not like it's a half an hour to get here. Somebody made a little swing here out of a skateboard. That's pretty cool. All right. See if I can get on these rocks without killing myself. This is the second time I did this already. Yeah, not too bad. Little 5-minute walk. I don't know how far I'll go out on this log, but I would hate to fall in there and get the camera gear all wet. Whew! Jamieson Creek Falls. All right, take a little walk up this rock face here. Second time doing this. Well, at least I know my way up now. I have to say I'm impressed. And the whole reason that I am impressed for how short the walk was, I think the next time I come up here, I'm gonna bring a little bite to eat and just sit and enjoy. Maybe have a nap. I don't know. So I'll try and get down without killing myself here. All right. Yeah, these hiking boots are amazing. I think I could almost walk vertical with them. Pretty wild. They got good grip. I'll probably put the swimming trunks on too and maybe go for a little swim in there. Brr. Alright, well, I'm going to go back and bring the drone in, do a little aerial footage. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. And if you're ever in the area, check it out. Short little hike, nice little falls. Oh, what do we got here? Macy's Pool. Our dog Macy loved it here. The big pool near the bottom at the falls was her favorite. Aw, it sucks. That's too bad. Yeah, it's not fun when you lose a pet. That pet becomes part of the family, and I don't know, just some kind of a connection between pets and their owners. And when they get sick and you have to put them down or anything like that, it's a hard thing. Believe it or not, I had a cat that we ended up having to put down, and it was just sad. It felt like there was a piece of the family was missing, and I don't know, it's just a weird kind of feeling when you've got a pet that loves you and you love it back. But oh well, I gotta stop, I'm getting all misty. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. I highly recommend these falls for the short little hike. And as I always say, for everyone out there, get out there and do some exploring. So be safe, enjoy the hot weather, stay hydrated, and we'll see y'all later. Enjoy the drone footage.